right, so this is balcony cabin 7180 on the Carnival Miracle. All right, coming in on our left, let's check out this bathroom here. There is the switch with the light. We got the little shower with the fancy shower curtain, as always. The shelving on each side, 3 little shelves for your toiletries. Pretty standard Carnival bathroom. When we come out of here, we have 3 closets. The first closet here, you see you have 2 rows of hangers, which is nice. You can get a lot of stuff in there. And then we have another closet over here with shelving. So you got 4 big shelves right there. And then there's still a 3rd closet that I have to move the little door stop out of the way for. If I can get it out. All right, so here is the 3rd closet with all the ample hangers. You can't complain about hangers in this room, that's for sure. All right, and then as we spin around, they're probably not finished cleaning this room, where this is the day of embarkation, so I'm sure that's going to be emptied out. But there is the vanity, and I believe this is the safe. And yes, it is. The safe is right here. All right, got a little TV above. And I'm guessing this is the refrigerator. And I guessed correctly once again. You can tell I've been on a few ships. I have a bunch of drawers here. So plenty of storage, especially if you're only 2 people. A lot of storage. You see that the bed has not been made. They're still in the process. It's only like noon. We're just going to drop our bags off and get out of here. But I thought I'd get the room tour out of the way. There you can see the room from the balcony side here. And here is said balcony. So let's go take a look out here. We're in the Tampa port. And getting on a little bit late, but got a couple nice chairs. Can enjoy some beverages out here and take in the views. Not much of a view yet, but there will be. There will be. But that is your room tour. And hope you enjoyed it. Room 7180 on the Carnival Miracle.